may have a problem. There's a tornado. There's a flood coming and a tsunami and my car is slow as heck. Already? Thank you. Need 2 wins.
Walisan ko lang dito. Kuya, walisan ko dito.
Actually, no.
Pwede ko ma-open.
Ayoko ba? It's okay. Oh, there you go. You got treadmill. I was about to say, where was the How can you jump on it? Opo.
Kuya, pa.
Okay. Ah! Bro, let me up, dude. Like, actually, let me up. Like, bro, dude, let me up. But, people's BPG Bop. Beep Bop. Tsunami. What do you call a fish that has 2 different sides? Tuna, because I'm tuna. I am the tuna. Ako ay dalawa na. Beep bop, skibidi bop, beep bop. Sige po, Tito Bert, mag-upo ka lang po. Upo ka lang.
Asa na?
I want to put to 3,000. This is one of those like games. It's like those games. It's like pay to win. Like invite friends, we choose 2 times speed, wins. There's a plus in the cash. You know, YouTubers are already just gonna spend all their Robux. Tsunami coming. Tsunami. Ouch. Sila. Uh-oh. I got it. I knew it, dude. Then when I try, they give me like something OP. I know these games. Tsunami! Why did a chicken cross the road? To get to the other side, of course. Opo. Tsunami coming. Level 10. It's level 10, feel like. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how Q-R. Who is strawberry? Who is strawberry? Tsunami coming! I can buy McLaren. Shout out to Strawberry. Wait. It's my Kyra. Yeah, shout out to her. That's my vice president. Okay. 360 no scope. Tsunami. 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 Ah! Sumami, ang manamani. Ah! Tsunami, kungkung, tungtung, triple T, sahur, 3P, trophy, barbaloni, lula, loli, tungtung, sahur. Shout out to Mikaela. Oh my gosh. How can we get 3,000? Tsunami level 3. Bleh. You won't get me. Ah!
Kuya,
Oh,
hindi mo cute.
what?
Scooter, Brella o this baby?
Ako. Aray! When I was a baby. Baby me is more better. Tsunami level 2. Ah! Hey, you Martin. You stinky poo-poo face. Level 6. Oh my gosh. Boom. Boom. Loka. Kaboom. Kablow. Rest in peace to Granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom. Kablow. Ano to? Kaboom. I was in my room trying to teach my little sister. There hit a boom and it sounded like a missile. Who that is? What that was? Oh, that Granny. She's gone. Okay. Okay, let's speed reset. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! 9/11? Oh my gosh! Ninja Pet? No pee.
Shake, shake, shake. Can you shake a toy?
Okay.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Okay.
I'm shaking the toy. Yay!
Okay, got 17K.
Brella, go now.
Zoo.
Brella, no.
Ouch. Okay, I'll be stop being stupid. Oh my gosh.
Let's see how many.
Okay. For 11, I'll take this goal. Yes. Yeah. See you in the next video.